Hey, how we doing, everybody? It's another beautiful day here in the Cheesy Moon Workshop. We're just about done with this Hurricane Debbie mess that we've been in. Young man at work brought me this knife today, and this knife. This is a Columbia River Knife and Tool, CRKT, a little lockback knife with advertising on it. This is a Swiss Army knife. It is completely seized up. Can't get any of the blades open. That's why we're taking a bath in the mineral oil. And when I opened up my little tub here to put those two knives in, I discovered that I had a couple knives in here soaking. One is a little knife that I couldn't read until, let's see if we can scrub off some of this. It's an Imperial. So we're going to see if we can, it's very, very, very pitted. And then this is a little advertising razor here by the, focus there a little bit, the Gets Razor Company. So I'm going to do a little cleanup on these, see what we can find out about these two knives, see if I can get this one to clean up at all. So until I see you all again, please remember to like, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and above all, have a beautiful day.